Green Green, a community gardening story. This story is written by Marie Lamba and Baldev Lamba. The pictures are by Sonia Sanchez. Green Green, fresh and clean. Brown Brown, dig the ground. Rake, scrape, seeds in rows, tamp and water, the garden grows. Brown Brown, dig the ground. Do you see this little boy here? I think he looks worried. Stone and metal, the city grows. And grows. Green Green, in between. A few places. There are the planters here, and down here between the two buildings. Squirrel gray, pigeon blue, weeds and wildflowers litter too. Brown Brown, dig the ground. Brown Brown, dig the ground. They're all working together. It's teamwork. Lift and clear, shovel rows, working together our garden grows. And grows. And grows. Green Green, keep it clean. The end.